Oh my gosh, I got it on my hair. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome. My name is Jasmine and I'm wondering if I'm gonna fall in love with this box. So today we're gonna be doing an unboxing for the base box for the month of February. So I want to know if Cupid got me a good box. So we're gonna be doing this unboxing together. I was playing with a palette that I got from another month, and the reason was because I think the box should be more romantic, more Valentine's. So I used this palette, and I think this palette should have been perfect for this box because look at this. This is like screaming Valentine's to me. Well, a little bit of the yellow is off, but I really like this palette, and I did this eye makeup look, so I'm thinking of maybe doing another video showing you guys how to do it. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comment section of the base box. And as you know, this one is $25 and I got this one from PR, so I'm super thankful and grateful that I got it early and I got it sent by Boxycharm, so I could share with you guys and play with some of the items and tell you exactly what I think. So let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. And the value of this box is almost $179, but let's see if it's worth it. So the first item I want to talk to you guys about is Wonder Beauty Getaway Eye and Face Palette. As you know, this was going to be a choice item, so you probably selected this item or maybe the other two palettes. I really wanted the other palette from Ace Beauty because I love those colors, but you know what, I made it work. I used this palette and I really like how the makeup came out. Years ago, I don't know if you guys remember, from Boxycharm we got this palette, and I used to use this palette for a long time. In fact, I used to take this on trips, so I'm impressed with their brand. I really like a lot of their products. So today what I did was, the only thing I used here, I actually used a blush, and I also used this highlighter here, and I'm going to show you some swatches because I think you could tell that I swatched this palette really good, and I'm so impressed with the pigmentation. So this is mostly like shimmers, if you need a lot of shimmers, but the pigmentation, I was blown away. So this is a pretty good palette, and I like that it comes with a mirror too. So if you selected this one, you know what, I'm impressed. And the retail value for this one is $36. I don't know what to think about it because I've gotten that already in the past. This is from Trustique, but it's gonna open it. I want to save this for a future giveaway. And talking about giveaway, guys, I already have a giveaway going on right now. I know, I can't believe I'm just saying that right in the middle. I totally forgot because I share everything on my other video, my other unboxing, the premium box. So you want to check it out, wait till this video finished, and I'm going to put the link around here, and it's going to be also at the end of this video. A quick pause, guys. This is the box. It's super heavy and there's so many items, so you want to see everything that is in this box. I share that in the other premium unboxing, but yeah, this is live, so if you're interested, go ahead and sign up. The link is going to be below so you could check out that video. But yeah, on that giveaway, so I'm gonna hold this for another giveaway, and I don't want to open it because I already have that product. It's pretty good. I have taken this on to travel because it's like perfect. You could open this here. I have the mascara, which I am not wearing any, so might as well let me just put it on camera. Eye Duo is called Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. That retails for $44. Oh my gosh, I got it on my hair. Well, luckily my hair is kind of black, so yeah, I just did the bottom ones, and that's why I want to open it because I already have it. So I'm gonna hold that for a giveaway. Moving on. So what is the next thing that I got on this box is Saint Luxe Beauty limited edition liner duo. Come on, $40. I don't know if that's worth $40. I have so many liners that I keep getting. In the giveaway, you're gonna see a liner duo too that I got from Ace Beauty. Look at these two shades, and I'm gonna show you some swatches. Secret Admirer and Love Letter. So right there, that does scream Valentine's. The shades not so much, but the names totally Valentine's. So I like that. What I got these brushes. I actually played with them today. Actually, I played just with two, doing this eye makeup look. And guys, this is so Valentine's. This is what I was talking about. This is so perfect. I don't think I have any brushes like these. I feel like I could just play with them the whole time. I think they are so cute. I love this. How cute is this? Yeah, so I love brushes like these. I feel like you could just pack on the eyeshadow. This is so cute, and it comes with this little packet here, And this is Glamour Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection, and that one retails for $29.95. How cute is this? This is so Valentine's, and this is exactly what I wanted to see in this box. So far I am happy with this box. So the next product I want to show you is Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C. I have been using some of the products, one of them as a toner, 10% glycolic acid, and I use that sometimes just once a week. There's other BHA products, but I'm impressed with their products, and I believe it has helped me also with my acne, my pores. And I'm like, why do they call it Saturday Skin? Because on Saturday is when you are more rested, you're more relaxed, your skin feels so rested. How cute is that, right? That's why it's called, that's why one of the things that I found why it's called Saturday Skin is on those ingredients, like formulas that have antioxidant and vitamins, enzymes, and minerals. Another thing that I like about this company is that they like to do research for stem cells, and that's something that I've been trying to introduce a little bit more on my skin. So if you have stem cells and there's something that actually stimulate the growth of collagen, you could have a plumper, more radiant and youthful skin. What does this have? Yuzu. Yuzu is a new ingredient that we've been hearing a lot about, and this is something, it's kind of like a mix of two different type of fruits into one. So you have the mandarin and another citrus, more in China, is one of those ingredients that is so great for your skin and for your body, because it has vitamin C, but not just regular vitamin C. It has 3 times more vitamin C comparing to another citrus like lemon. So if you're gonna get 3 times a vitamin C, then I'm in, and that's why this is what you're getting on this product here. The sleep mask, so you wear this at night. I wore this last night. I wanted to test it out because sometimes citrus items, I have sensitive skin, and I could break out, or I could have some type of reaction. So I wanted to try it out last night, and hopefully that my skin loved it, and I believe it did. I had no negative reaction, and I really love how it felt in my skin last night. You will see that it has little pieces, I guess, from the product itself, from the fruit. It comes with this little cute spatula, and look how cute this is to open it up. I thought this was so cute. You know what? I don't know about you guys, but do you guys keep these type of lids? I do. I always like to keep the lids in, and you could see some of the chunks on the top. Also have retinol, which is another form of vitamin, and it has niacinamide, which is another form of vitamin. So this is a container, a sleeping mask full of all different type of vitamins. Yes, I'm loving that. What it's gonna do is gonna soothe your skin because of all those great ingredients that it has there, all those great vitamins. In other words, it's gonna soothe your skin. It's gonna have a better barrier function. I love that too. It's gonna improve dryness. This is something that I love. Once I started reading about free radicals, I knew that that's something that I needed to introduce in my skincare, and even in your hair too. That's something I'm reading for your hair. And I just found a mask that for the lip, a lip balm that also has antioxidant. Received this in my box. Hopefully I see it on the pop-up store that is opening on Monday, and I will buy another one, because just reading everything that it has, I'm super excited about that. So guys, I'm excited for this box. So yeah, this is everything I received. $179. I'm happy. There's some things that was a little duplicate, which was the Trestique, and I'm not gonna use, but just fine. I'm gonna put it on the side for a giveaway. This St. Lux, another liner. I don't think I need more lip liners, but guys, this is a winner. This is everything. This truly made this box. I like the Wonder Beauty, and I really like these brushes. I just can't stop playing with them. So yeah, overall I believe it's a good box. It's a good variation. This would have really put it up there if I had that Ace Beauty palette, but I'm not complaining. I like the box, and adding something like that in my skincare, that it was introduced, I don't think I would have heard much about it if it wasn't from Boxycharm. So for that, I'm truly grateful for that we're able to see that in Boxycharm. So guys, I hope you're having an exciting weekend, getting ready for Valentine's. And do I love my box? Yeah, I love my box. I'm truly wowed with that. I'm impressed with that. So I like it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to sign up to that giveaway, and until the next video, bye.